Det är inte det där dina gubbar.
Ja, det var egna.
Ja.
Wise Guy, Airsoft, Paintball, and Tactical Gear.
What's up, Airsofters? Peter here, and it has been a while because I've been on vacation to California, but now I'm back with another video. And this is a first for us. This is gonna be part 1 of 2 from our first Milsim game ever. We tagged up with another team called PTH, and I gotta say, it was fun to try something new. So right now I'm trying to locate my buddy from PTH.
Vänta, jag går ner. Alltså vi står... Vänta här nu.
My radio battery was dead when I got to the AO, so right now I'm communicating via phone.
Jag ska se, nu borde du se mig. Alltså jag är precis till vänster om de blå containrarna nu, om du... För dig liksom. Ja, står du på kullen där eller? Sträck upp en arm. Ja, bra, okej, cool. Då vi tar oss bort till dig. Ja, yes, bra, tja.
So we finally found our buddy and he brought us to camp so we can drop off some supplies. And right now we're heading out to meet up the rest of PTH.
Spela till höger på andra sidan med kurstaget.
Var då? Ja, där. Ja, där är definitivt fienden.
Där är det, eller?
Ja.
Där är grönt. Det är nog det.
Är det fienden?
Ja.
Ja.
Kinda. Yeah.
Ish.
I mean, this trail's not really on this map.
No.
Yeah.
That's that road.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you do me a favor?
Yep.
Open up that and grab a grenade for me.
Sure thing.
Anyone?
One, big one, small.
Okay, that's
gonna
not that one. The one similar size to that one.
Yeah.
There's a smoke.
Okay.
That's a BB grenade. This is a smoke grenade. I'll put them in different places.
Nice. Det är inte det där dina gubbar.
Ja, det var egna.
Ja. Fan. Tjena!
Hej!
Peter.
Peter.
Ja, så jävla enkelt.
Robert.
Ja.
Nej, Peter.
Now that we linked up with the rest of the team, we're going to figure out what we're going to do next. We heard some gunfire from where we came from, so we decided to push back down. 4 of our snipers took positions here, and we pushed through the bushes on the left side of the road.
Elstolpen. Elstolpen. Ja.
So I'm about to go head to head with a sniper, and I'm gonna turn down the volume so you can hear the BB whooshing by my head. That was really close. And I know that I need to keep moving from side to side to make it hard for him to hit me.
Vad skojar du? Ja, rakt fram.
And the waiting game is on. My brother is down, so I'm waiting for the rest of the team to push up so we can take the sniper out. We finally got that last sniper, so we medicked my brother and we continued on playing. Time for some lunch, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Part 2 is on its way, so stay tuned. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, subscribe if you're not, and please leave a comment. It really helps me out. See you guys soon. Bye bye.